Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix the ghost touch problem on your ZTE Nubia Air. So first, what you guys want to do is remove the screen protector if it's misaligned, poorly applied, or if it's a poor quality one. So if that's the case, then remove it because it can cause the ghost touches to appear. Like ghost touches is when something just clicks your screen, so when you're trying to move, then as you guys can see, it will look like this for an example, or it will just open a bunch of apps, so it will look like this. This is how the ghost touch can work. It can also be slower, and if that's the case, then remove it and see if that makes any difference. If not, then maybe it's because of the case you're using. So if your case is covering even a tiny part of the screen, then it can already cause the ghost touches to appear when you press too much. And in this case, there's no way that it's covering it. So if you've got the same case as me, then you're good to go. But if you got another case, like a third-party case, if it's covering even a tiny part of the screen here, not the bezel, but the screen, then that's why your ghost touches may appear. So after doing that, what you guys can do is grab a microfiber cloth and clean your screen to remove any debris or moisture. So grab it and give it a few swipes like that. Now our screen should be shiny. And what you guys want to do as a last resort is update your software to fix any touch glitches. So go over to the settings. Now scroll a bit down until you guys see system and update, and here click system update. Make sure that you have a Wi-Fi connection while doing that. As you guys can see, my software is up to date. But if yours isn't, then I recommend you guys updating it. It's very important to keep up with the latest software versions for your phone. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.